Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please welcome. So today I'm here with the trending story of Lorraine Guyo. Lorraine Guyo recently posted on her channel that she had food poisoning and she was in the hospital, and fast forward a few days later she was out and she was really appreciating the people who sent her messages. Vanhu vakauya vachimuona muchipatara. A lot of people and also more boys from Great Hope went and saw Lorraine Guyo. So the issue now is that people are now taking the issue of food poisoning, saying that Lorraine akaisirwa food poison. So the issue with food poisoning, it could be like the food that you could have eaten and it ma acids and stuff zvirimo could create food poisoning for your body, not kuti munhu anenge akuisira poison muchikafu. I think Zimbabweans need to learn there kuti there's a difference between kupoisonwa nemunhu and your body creating food poison because of the foods or the drinks that you had taken rather. And izvi zviri kuratidza kuti people did not really understand what Lorraine said. I didn't see Lorraine saying that someone poisoned her. I had food poisoning from certain foods that she ate, and vanhu vanenge vakuzofambisa guwa rekunyepa, guwa risiriro. So let's move on to the next story. Toenda panyaya Maloti akasungiswa naPassion Java because Maloti anotuka. We all know Maloti anotuka vanhu. Maloti is not afraid to curse on anyone. So Maloti akatuka Passion Java hanze uri sponsor wechinherera chichichi achitaura mavhaga words, and it was all to do with the music. And then fast forward akatuka also na Temple Man, and then fast forward Passion Java vafaila lawsuit, and handisi kuti ndo inonzi lawsuit here. Mimi ndimakadzidza makaenda kuHarvard makanostada, inini ndiri kungotaurawo zvandakaona mastreets. Passion Java vafaila lawsuit against Maloti. So Maloti early this morning angachinzi Passion Java drop her case, but then Maloti is supposed to appear in court since case yanga yagara yaregistewa. It's what I heard kuti Maloti ari kufana kudzokera kukoti, ari kufana kuenda kukoti kuti nyaya inotongwa. So guys, this is a lesson to Maloti. Like sometimes unongochispita mafacts, unongochitaura chokwadi, but you don't need to curse on people. You don't need to speak vulgar words when they are not necessary. Expressing your point is correct rather, but cursing others, speaking out vulgar language, it's not right. It's not right, Maloti. So I feel like Maloti learned her lesson, unless akadzoka futa achitanga kutuka tozotaiwa ichi chimugandanga. Thank you so much guys for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. It's been long guys, I know, and yes, it's been long, but a lot has been happening with this our channel, but now we are back. Bye.